Hi, welcome to mycutetoons. Today we're going to draw Cricket in a Christmas sweater. So grab your marker and follow along with me. As always, we're going to start with the two eyes. So I'm just going to draw the bottom part of the eye. And then I'm just going to complete it right here at the top. Nice round curve. And let's do it on the other side as well. We're going to do a bottom line. And then as well, nice curve upwards and over. There we go. Inside the eye, the pupil. Let's do it on the other side as well. And then of course the iris. There's one and there's the other. Light reflections as always. Two nice round circles, top and bottom, and on this side as well. And then right above the eye, you're going to draw the eyelashes. An eyelash on this side and an eyelash on that side. Let's color the pupils in. Right, and right above the eyes, we're going to draw the eyebrows. So we're just going to draw two bottom lines first, and then make it round on top, and do the same for this side as well. Now I want to start with the mouth. So first I'm going to draw a little button nose right between the eyes, and then a little smile below, and then we're going to draw a little top lip and the bottom lip. There we go. And now we can draw the jawline. So I'm going to start here at the eyelashes, and I'm going to make a nice curvy line out, and I'm going to take it all the way around, and I'm going to connect it to the eyelash. There we go. Now from the eyelash again, you're going to draw an ear, and you're going to do the same on the other side as well. You're going to draw the insides of the ear, and there we go. Now I'm going to draw the fringe. So I'm going to draw a nice curvy line swerving down to the ear. And then from this side I'm going to start on top, and I'm just going to make a little hook, and I'm just going to bring a little line back. Now from here I'm going to draw another curvy line to complete the fringe, and on this side I'm just going to connect everything together, and on this side as well. And there's the hair. Now we're going to draw the top part. I'm going to start here on top. I'm going to make it nice and round back to the ear, and on this side I'm going to do the same thing, nice and round, and I'm going to take it back to the ear. And now we can draw the two ponytails. First, let's draw the heart shapes on the hair bands. I'm going to draw a little heart shape there, and on this side I'm going to do the same thing as well. I'm going to draw two of them. I'm going to draw a little band on this side, and on this side let's do the same thing, a little band. There we go. And now we can draw the two ponytails. I'm going to start with a nice curve down to there, and let's do a little S shape on this side as well. And now we're going to start here at the top, and we're going to bring it all the way around and connect it. And let's do the same thing on this side as well, all the way around and connect it. And let's make a little stripe here as well, just to bring some interest to the hair. And I'm going to do the same thing on this side as well. Now we're going to draw the body. So first of all, I'm going to draw the torso. I'm going to draw a little bucket shape like this, and then I'm going to draw the arms. So I'm going to start with the hands, and I'm going to start here as well, and then we're going to draw a dress. You can draw a little dress down, and let's make some curves for the dress. There we go. And then you're going to draw the two little hands. Now our shirt or jersey got some stripes, so let's draw stripes. Make it all the way around like this. Draw another stripe there. We're going to draw the collar, and maybe a little stripe below that, and then let's complete the stripes. And now I'm just going to draw a few little wrinkles here, because this is going to be a yellow line going through her dress, and I'm just going to draw a few lines down, and there's the dress. Now we can go to the legs, and I'm going to draw 2 kneecaps like this. I'm going to go out, that's the calves, and on the inside we're going to do the same thing, 2 calves. We're going to draw 2 hearts. There we go. And we're going to finish the boots. There we go. And then from here we're going to draw the shoes. So I'm going to draw 2 boots coming together like this. I'll draw the soles coming out, and on this side I'm just going to bring the boots out like this and complete the soles as well. Great. Now we can go up to the wings. So let's draw Cricket's wings. We start right here. We're going to draw like beautiful butterfly wings. There's one wing, and let's try with the other one as well. There we go. We're going to draw, and then we're going to draw the inside edge of the wing, and we'll do the same thing on this side. Let's draw the inside edge, and then a few hearts. And there we go, and there's Cricket. Now you can look at my picture and try to match the colors, and I'm sure Cricket will look absolutely amazing. Thank you for drawing with me. Please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel, and please leave me a comment if you want me to draw something else. And I will see you soon. Bye bye.